Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of what the video is all about, plus the title. So if it's something that might be time sensitive, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I don't want you guys to miss out, so I'm telling you about it as well. All right, today we are going to be going through the Sephora monthly subscription that's called Play. This is a $10 subscription. It was a subscription that when I first decided to get into subscription boxes, I started with the $10 boxes, so the Ipsy and this Sephora Play. After a period of time, I was really getting it for a very long time, and then for a year, I decided to cancel that subscription because all these other boxes were coming out with full sizes and things like that. And for some reason, I was finding myself always going on YouTube to see what other people were getting in their Sephora Play, which meant I was missing it. So I figured for the $10, I would start it up again this year. And I've been enjoying everything that I've been getting. This month, the month of March, what I do, just to backtrack a little bit, I always open up the boxes to make sure that everything that's supposed to be in the box is in the box and nothing is damaged. And then I take a picture for Instagram so that everything is in, in the perfect condition. Then when I open up the box, I put everything back in. I really don't go through the paperwork or anything. I put everything back in the box, and then I open it up here with you guys and I play, which means I sample, I swatch, I do all of that. So I see that some of the items that are in here look really small. That was one of the small pet peeves that I was having with Sephora when I initially decided to give it up, because for the $12 now on Ipsy, we always get a mixture between full sizes and sample sizes for around the same price. So also Sephora used to give you a points card. They're not doing that anymore either. So there's a lot of things that Sephora didn't improve in reference to the Play box in my eyes, but I like getting this box for two main reasons. One, I find that I get higher end brands, even though the samples are smaller, to try, and I get introduced to products that usually might be an exclusive to Sephora. So this way I don't miss out being able to share with you guys what's available there, as well as for me to know if it's something that I want to invest my dollars on. Okay, all right, so starting with the Sephora Play, it always comes in this fantastic box, and on the inside it always says show off and share #Sephora Play. They always seem to be coming now in these plastic reusable bags. It says excitement level 100 on the other side. They come in different colors. It is a resealable bag, so it's great for travel, but after you have a few of these, they really, to me, have no added value, where with the Ipsy, we get those cute little bags and, I don't know, just a little extra. So this month here, what we have is called Beauty in the Wild, and just some cute little sayings and stuff on this side. And then on the other side is all the information of what we get in the box. So I'm gonna put this out here. I'm gonna look down. I've emptied out the bag into the surface area here, and then we're just going to go through everything one at a time, and I'll read to you what's written on the paperwork, so in case you see me looking down and looking back up, that's what I'm doing. All right, so the first item that's in here is from Stila. This is a brand, it was actually one of the first eyeliners that I bought, that I tried, because it was a stay all day waterproof liquid eyeliner. I periodically get one eye that seems to water periodically. Some days yes, some days no. But it's always, this is what intrigued me with Stila. It was supposed to be a waterproof eyeliner. When I do have the issue with my eye, I didn't find this to be any better than other ones that I've gotten at the drugstore. Between this one and the Kat Von D, if this is the type of style that you like, these are the two that I would recommend. But on the drugstore side, there is Physicians Formula. And that one I seem to feel is a good dupe for both of those. And I use that, I find, and I don't have as many issues with that as I did with this. I am excited to get this again because I want to retry it. And like I said, this is, I know this is like an over $20 value. That's the other thing, is they don't put on here what the full size values are. And now on the Ipsy cards, they're sharing with us what the full size prices are. And I really enjoy that. So I don't know what the values of any of these items are because nothing's written here. So this is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the Intense Black. It says, don't be afraid to spread your eyeliner wings and soar. This waterproof wonder is super easy to apply and it lasts all day and night. How to use it? Shake well, glide on to close the lash line go as close to the lash line as possible. Use small feather strokes for best results. Everyone finds that, you know, with liquid eyeliner, some girls like to start at the end and work their way in. Some girls like to start on their end, work their way out. It really depends on the liner. This is a long felt tip that I'm not going to open this guy up because, like I said, I have so many of these open already, these black eyeliners, but it is a flexible tip. I should have checked to see if I still have one open that's in the larger size of this. It's a felt tip. It more of on the brush side. It's very flexible. It is a longer tip. I'll show you here in the picture. That's what it looks like there. So I'm excited that I got this. I know this is an expensive item. Like I said, it's over $20. So if this is half the size, that really just paid for the box. The next item here was even smaller. This one is, I've never seen anything this small. This is from Tarte, and it is their Quench primer. It's a hydrating primer. I was going to do this as an add-on and I didn't. And now I'm happy that I have a sample of it, but this sample size even has a safety seal on it. So let's just see what this looks like here. And we'll put a little bit on our hand to see what it looks like. Okay. It looks like a clearer formula. I'm really enjoying, we did get, I think it was last month already, the Tarte primer in one of our boxes. From BoxyCharm, and I'm really enjoying it. This one is called Tarte of the Sea. It's a Sea Quench primer. It's saying pounce on this primer. It will keep your makeup in place while also hydrating your skin and protecting it from pollution. It's saying this is an exclusive product to Sephora, and they're saying if you smooth a pea-size amount over your clean, dry skin before applying your makeup. So there's the pea-size amount, and it's not running or anything, but as soon as you press it, it feels almost like a water cream. So my skin is drinking it in like 1, 2, 3, and that's what it looks like there. All right, the next item we got was from Glam Glow, and I love getting products from Glam Glow. This is a line that I also got introduced to actually from Ipsy, and I am enjoying everything that I have the opportunity to get my hands on. And this is says GlowStarter. It's a mega illuminating moisturizer, and it looks like it has a tint to it because it says Nude Glow on here, and this is ½ an ounce that's on here. And let's see what they wrote about this. It says Glam Glow GlowStarter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. It is in Nude Glow. It says it will keep your skin looking glowy and feeling dolphin levels of hydration with this versatile illuminating moisturizer. How to use: apply evenly all over your face to use as a moisturizer. Apply just to the high points of your face over your makeup if you want to use it as a highlighter. So it's a moisturizer or a highlighter. So that's what the color looks like here. There was no safety seal on this. That's what the color looks like here. I put the primer over here. I'm putting this on the other side because to me, if it has this bit of a tint, it should act more to me like a BB cream or a CC cream, and that's what it looks like there. It really has some nice shine to it too. And it looks like it would even out the skin tone, and it looks like it would be a nice color. All right, exciting, another new product. The next one I was really excited to see because I have not gone on to yet trying Drunk Elephant, and this will be my first time getting a product from Drunk Elephant, and that's what I mean by the Sephora box. Even though all these products are so small, this is an exclusive. This I think is also an exclusive, and this one says it is Lala Retro Whipped Moisturizer with Ceramides. It's saying it's a rich moisturizer. It has luxe texture that leaves your skin feeling so hydrated, it's like you live under the sea. It says how to use, apply a quarter size amount to clean dry skin and set, on clean dry skin on the face or any part of the body anytime. It took me for a loop when it said body after face. So that's what it looks like here. It looks like it's a thicker cream, but let me put my fingers in it and see. Yeah, it feels like a thicker cream. That's what it looks like there. And I don't smell anything on any of the products so far that we've used, so that's nice too. And it is just a thicker cream. So probably that's why you're saying you can use it on your face and or your body. But I'm gonna look more into this because like I said, this is my first dive into Drunk Elephant, and I'm really, really excited to give that a try. The next item is also a really great brand. It is the Drybar, and it says on here, Detox Clear. It's an invisible dry shampoo from Drybar, and it's saying it's 0.35 ounces, and that's what it looks like here. And it's saying this totally clear dry shampoo will keep your hair fresh and clean. No telltale residue. No one has to know that you didn't get a chance to visit the watering hole. How to use: shake well, spray onto the roots of your hair from 4 to 6 inches away, allow to dry, then gently rub in and brush through. So let's see if this has a scent, and we'll see what it looks like. No, just a really clean smell. So really excited to try that because Drybar is a really good brand. And then the one thing that Sephora does is they give us little perfume samples, and I love getting these. So this is from Versace. This is their one called Bright Crystal, and it looks like it is, the notes are on here. And let me see what it says here. It says, the family is flower, fruity, and musk. And it's saying this is a bonus item. And they're saying that it says, imagine wandering through a field of flowers in bloom. That's what this scent is like. They're saying the fragrance family is floral. The top note is pomegranate. The middle note is yuzu. And the bottom note is musk. And usually I like bottom notes. I sprayed the card before we started so that it would give it time to settle in. And it really is a beautiful, beautiful smell. So that's what the actual full-size bottle looks like. Those are the notes up close. And then this is the sample that we got. And I love when it's the type that you spray and a spray comes out as opposed to the ones that come in those tubes with that little stopper. So that's really, really exciting that we got that as well. And that's everything that we got in the Sephora Play for the month of March. So just up close, we got the Stila, we got the primer from Tarte, we got the Glam Glow moisturizer or highlighter in Nude, we got the Drunk Elephant, which I'm really excited about, we got the Drybar sample, and then we got the bonus spray from Versace. And in the name of it is Bright Crystal. So like I said, this is something that I was missing. I am happy that I got this box. Do I wish some of these samples would be a little bit bigger? Absolutely. But it's enough for me to be able to test it and try it and see if it's something that I would want to invest in the future. All right. Once again, thank you so much for finding my channel. Thank you for sharing my channel, because that's the only way that I can grow on this platform. If you're enjoying my content, it's important that you give me a thumbs up. That's also right underneath this video. Supposedly that helps me on the YouTube platform. Of course, subscribing is everything, as well as you taking the time to spend with me is what I appreciate most. All right. Once again, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.